Today I'm unboxing a Bauer 1952 Echo-Bravo 6. This is basically a 4 horsepower, 6 gallon wet dry vac that you can pick up at Harbor Freight for 60 bucks. And it comes with, of course, something they call the gulper nozzle, a 7-foot hose, a filter, and 2 extension wands. This is supposed to be heavy duty, and they even guarantee heavy duty. You also have an option when you buy this unit to get an extended extra year of warranty. It comes with 3 months, and you can buy 12 more for 6 bucks if you're interested. So let's dip this thing open. All right. Needing a wet dry vac for some time, and something that can handle a lot of capacity. This looks like it'll do the job. Comes with an owner's manual. We don't need that. And then inside the package here, by the way, some of you might need the owner's manual, so don't throw it away. Got a little cardboard protector over the handle. This right here is our 7-foot cord. I will say one thing right out of the box that I'm really impressed with is that this cord is actually not bent in the shape of the box. It's actually quite flexible straight out of the package. So I'm very happy about that. That means when you're vacuuming with it, it won't give you too much grief trying to straighten it out. And then inside the package here, we see it's got a large carry handle on top. That'll come in handy. You've got your extension wand pipes here. And you've got another one back here. And then let's see, what's this? Oh, there's our cord. So let's just see if I can lift this thing straight out of the box. Hot dog. Yeah. All right. I was accused of having my hands in the way too much on a previous video, so just a one-man crew shooting this video, so I'm going to try to keep my hands out of the way while shooting this. And we'll go ahead and get this out of the plastic. Judging by the weight and the noise this thing's making, I'm thinking the rest of the components are inside there. Let's take a look. What's in the box? I was right, nothing else in the box. All right, so the very large on-off switch. Doesn't feel incredibly cheap. That's good. And we've got our latches on the side. Top comes off. And that's nice. It's got a huge filter. Wow. That's quite a large filter, so that's a good sign. We're doing work. We don't want to have our filter clog up too quick, especially if we're doing an extra dusty job. I personally am building a business, and I need something to pick up a lot of extra dust with. And it's got a locking cap here that you twist to remove said filter. Now you can see this pops right off here for easy replacement. Nice. Looks like something you see on a diesel pickup. The size, at least, is. It's pretty good for something that's only a 6-gallon vacuum. All right. Get that out of the way. What do we got in here? All right. This must be the gulper they're talking about. I'll put that over here with the other parts. And then we have caster wheels. All right, look at that. And they have storage compartments right here on the top. So you can put those extension wand pieces right there and roll it into the closet and store it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, looks like my screw package came undone during shipment, but they're all there. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So this is a pretty simple put together here. All right, let's get these out of here and go retrieve a screwdriver real quick. Is a nice feature. I got the bucket turned upside down here. I'm going to take one of these caster wheels, and you see right there is a grooved side. If you take that and look right here, they made it where it's not just flimsily held on with one screw. Rather, you have to actually insert this into the groove lock it into place, and then install the screw. Well, that's nice. It should keep the casters from falling off prematurely. Yeah. Alright, now to put the screws in. Look at that. Ta-da! 4 screws in. Yeah, I'll probably catch some flack for not showing you guys the installation of those screws. I'm sorry. I'll do a how-to video on how to use a screwdriver. How about that? Okay, here we go. Let's put this top back on. And it does have specific spots where the lock tabs line up before you lock them in. Boom. There we go. And then this, of course, has a locking spot for the hose to go in. So let's go ahead and try that now. If you'll look right here, see that? That little tab lines up right with that spot right there. And then when you push it in, you lock it. There we go. You hear that click? All right, let's put some attachments on it and see it work. And there she is, all put together. 7-foot cord, 2 extension wands. It's got a fairly long cord that reaches a good distance. So you can see I've got a work area here. It's a little dirty, so let's give it a shot. Nice. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. That's pretty good size. Those were pretty good sized chunks of plaster I picked up right there. I'd say one of those was at least 1 inch long. So even with this gulper end on it here, and you see how much air gaps between the contact and the floor, the full contact and the floor, these little tabs, it still was able to pick up about 1 inch thick piece of plaster. So I haven't used it at length yet, but I'm planning on putting a lot of hurt on this thing. But for the money, you can't hardly beat $60 for a 6-gallon machine that has a 7-foot hose and extension wand. So and it'll do wet and dry. So if you've bought one and you had an experience with it, by all means leave us something in the comments. If you have had a good or bad experience, we'd love to hear about it, and I'll try to add more in the comment section as I use this thing. But anyway, yeah, this looks like a pretty good deal for the money. So anyway, you guys have a great day. God bless.